Hello friends, welcome to this session of Vedic mathematics. Last time we had we have done the we have shown you the speed of doing an additional operation, speed of doing addition. How how fast you can do addition, that you have seen. And I told you that if you can learn that, this your speed for doing even other operations will also increase. So after that, today we are going to see different kinds of addition. Addition is a very simple process, but how better you can do additions easily and more conveniently and at a much quicker speed by using the Vedic mathematics. That is what you're going to see today. So in that we'll see addition by splitting numbers into the multiples of 10, 100, 1000, etc. Addition by splitting numbers, we'll see that. Addition by splitting numbers. Addition by splitting numbers. That is the first thing that you will see. Apart from this, you will see addition by splitting numbers. After that, you will see addition by completing the whole, and then addition by addition and subtraction. So the first thing is addition by splitting numbers into multiples of 10, 100, 1000, etc. So what will we be doing? That we will take a number, we will split it into the multiples of 10, 100 and 1000 or 10,000 depending upon the question, and then you will do the addition, and that will become very easier for us to do. So for example, if I take a sum like this, say 54 plus 24. Now 54 plus 24, here it is, we can break this 54 into 50 plus 4, and we can break 24 into 20 plus 4, and here we can write 50 plus 20 as 70 plus 4 plus 4, and that becomes 70 plus 8, which is equal to 78. This we can do mentally, but by splitting the numbers. So what you have done, you have split this number 54 into 50 plus 4, 24 to 20 plus 4, and then 50 plus 20 is 70, 4 plus 4 is 8, 78. We can mentally even do this calculation, right? Now let me show you another example of this particular type problem. Say for example, we want to add 28 with 31. So what we do is, I am doing it now straight away. 20 of this 28, which is 20 plus 8, and then 30 of this 31, 30 plus 1. Here we may straight away write 20 plus 30, 50, and 8 plus 1, 9, 59. Even we can straight away write from here 20 plus 30, 58 plus 1, 9, 59. We can straight away write down that. We can do that calculation mentally. So we need not go into the detailed operation of additional operation, right? Now the last problem for this, let me see, 84 plus 95. I'll straight away do it from here. 80 plus 90 is 170, and 4 plus 5 is 9, so 179 is the answer. I think you have understood it. 80 plus 4, 90 plus 5, 80 plus 90 is 170, and then 4 plus 5 is 9, 170 plus 9, 179. I can write it for you if you could not follow it. 80 plus 4 plus 90 plus 5. Then you can straight away write 80 plus 90 is 170 plus 4 plus 5, 9, 179. That's how we have done this problem, right? Now let me do a little bigger problem. This is a smaller one. Let me write down 637 plus 435 plus 282. So what we'll be doing here is, I'll straight away write from here 600 plus 400 plus 200, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12. So 1200 plus 30 plus 30, 60 plus 80, 140. Write down 140 here, plus 7 plus 5, 12 plus 2, 14. So what is the total? It is 1340 plus 14, 1354. I think you have got it. 600, 400, 2. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 1200, 30 plus 30, 60 plus 80, 140, 7 plus 5 plus 2 is 14. Total is 1354. We have straight away done this. We can do it straight from here. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 1200. Remember it. 30 plus 30, 60 plus 80, 140, 1200 plus 120, 1340 and 14, 1354. We can straight away do this. Let me take another sum, another problem. Say 837 plus 242 plus 363. What you do is 800 plus 200, 1000 plus 3, 1300. 800 plus 200, 1000 plus 300, 1300 plus 30 plus 40, 70 plus 60, 130. And here it is 7 plus 2, 9 plus 3, 12. So what is the total number? 1442. 1300, 100, 1400, 30 plus 12, 40, 42, 1442. We have straight away, you can do right from here without going into the bigger calculation. This helps us to do the mathematical operation, the additional operation easily you can do it. I will take another bigger example of this sum. Another bigger example. Say for example, we write down 6547 plus 2832 plus 3256. Right? So what we do is 6000 plus 2000 plus 3000, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 11. 11,000 plus 500 plus 8, 1300 plus 2, 1500. Plus 40 plus 30, 70 plus 50, 120. Plus 7 plus 2, 9 plus 6, 15. So what do you write here? 11 plus 1, 12,500, 12,620 plus 15. 12,620 plus 15, 35. 12,620 plus 15, 35. We can straight away write from here also. If your memory will increase, then you can easily take this calculation straight away from there. You can write 12,635. It's quite easier. I will do another sum of this dimension. 6845 plus 7293 plus 2436. What do you write? 6000 plus 7000, 13,000 plus 2000, 15,000 plus 800 plus 200, 1000 plus 400, 1400 plus 40 plus 90, 130 plus 30, 160 plus 5 plus 3, 8 plus 6, 14. What is the total? 15,000 plus 1,400, 16,400, 16,574. 16,574. We can straight away do from here. 15 plus 1, 16,400 plus 1, 65, 60 plus 14, 16,574. Right? So this becomes much easier. So what we have done, we have split the numbers into multiples of 10, 100 and 1000, and we have made our additions quite comparatively simpler. Now we'll do something different. Addition by completing the whole. Addition by completing the whole. Completing the whole. I mean, we'll try to make numbers whole numbers. For example, take a very small example, 9 plus 6 plus 1 plus 3. Now here, what you can do is, we can add this 9 with 1 first and make it 10, and then 6 plus 3 is 9. So 10 plus 9, 19. I mean, this is the approach. That is, we try to find out make it a whole number. 9 plus 1, 10, 6 plus 3, 9, 10 plus 9, 19, 19. So by observation, we can straight away write down the answer as 19. We can do one more sum like this. 3, 9 plus 1 plus 7. Here you can just observe it and you can see that 9 plus 1 is 10 and 3 plus 7 is also 10. So it is 20. By observation, we see 9 plus 1 is 10, 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20. So the answer is 20. We have added it, make the addition by completing the whole, right? Let us do another sum. You see here, we make an observation, you see that 23 plus 7 can be made as 30 and 3 plus 17 is 20, 30 plus 20 is 50. So we can make this observation, there you may find out a whole number, maybe you could have got it like this. This is 4. Even then it's easier for you because 23 plus 7 is 30 and then this is 21. 30 and 21 is 51. You could have added it quickly, easily. So by completing the whole, it becomes easier for us to make the addition, right? So I'll take another example. 37 plus 58 plus 42 plus 33. Can you make it some whole numbers here? Yes. 58 plus 42 is 100. And 37 plus 33 is 70. 58 plus 42 is 100, 37 plus 33 is 70. So 70 and 100, 170. So what we have done this, by completing the whole, we have made the addition operation quite easily. So wherever there is a problem like this, we should try to find out if there is something like possibility of completing the whole number from the bunch of numbers, right? Well, now we'll see something different. See, when you practice, you should develop your own problems yourself, and you can add it like this, and that becomes easier for you. Otherwise, I can give you some problems here, which you can try yourself. 42 plus 93. Your exercise for you. 10 plus 7 plus 8. Do it yourself. Quite easy. Another sum, 73 plus 57 plus 7 plus 3. What is the total? 32 plus 53 plus 58 plus 17. So you can try it yourself. Things are quite easy. You can try to find out the whole numbers out of it, and we can make the addition in all these three sums. So this is an exercise for you. You can try it yourself, right? Now I'll go for the next kind of problem, next kind of addition, and that is summation by addition and subtraction. Summation by addition and subtraction. Let us see what is this kind of thing. Say for example, we have to add 36 with 7. We can straight away make the addition here, but I am showing you the process, a different process by which you can also attempt the questions. So here we can make 36. We can convert the 7 into 10. So we have taken 3 more. So we subtract here 3. So in place of 7 we have written 10. We have taken 3 more. We have subtracted by 3. So total is 36 plus 10 is 46. Minus 3, it becomes 43. It's easier to do. It's a small problem, that's why you may think that this is also quite easy. But for a little bigger problem, this becomes easier. So 36 plus 10 minus 3, 46 minus 3 is 43. That's how we have done it. We can take another problem, 68 plus 8. Well, what you can do it, 68, you see, there are 2 ways of doing this for these kinds of problems. It's better I discuss here. There are 2 ways. One thing is, you make the addition by completing the whole. That means what you do is make 68 plus 2. Now you have taken 2 out of 8. What's remaining? 6. You write down 6 here. It is 70 plus 6. So answer is 76. That is one way. So what you have done, we have broken this 8 into 2 plus 6 to make a whole number. 68 plus 2 is whole. So by finding out completing the whole number, that is one way. The other way is this particular way, that we take 68 plus 10. Right? 68 plus 10 and then minus 2. Because we have 10, so we have taken 2 more, minus 2. 68 plus 10, 78 minus 2 is 76. It becomes easier. So we can do both the ways. We can add the number first, and then we can make the number whole number, then we can make it 10, and then you can subtract it by the excess amount that you have taken from here. That is one way. So one is from completing the whole, another is by addition and subtraction. Now let me take another example. 57 plus 8 plus 38 plus 4. What we are going to do is, we'll take 57 plus 10. We have taken 2 more here, minus 2, plus 38 plus 10. We have taken 6 more here, minus 6. So what happens? 67 minus 2 is 65, and here it is 48 minus 6 is 42. And now we can make a total 107. That's how we can do. This becomes easier for us to do by breaking it like this. So make an addition and then by subtracting it. I will do one more sum for you. (36 plus 7 plus 43 plus 9). Here again, what you will be doing, 36 plus, instead of 7 you will write 10 and then reduce it by 3, because we have taken 3 more. Similarly here, 43, make this 9 to 10, and since you have taken 1 more, you will reduce it by 1. So what will happen? 36 plus 10, 46 minus 3 is 43, plus 53 minus 1 is 52. So it's happened 95. So we've seen by addition and subtraction, summation by addition and subtraction, we can make our addition quite easily and conveniently, right? Now, what we have seen today in this particular sums, what you have seen? You have seen that we can make additions more conveniently by using these techniques of Vedic mathematics, where the first one was that by splitting numbers into multiples of 10, 100 and 1000, etc., and then by completing the whole, and then you have seen by summation by addition and then subtraction. So in all these methods, when you use while doing addition, the operation of addition, it becomes easier for us to make the calculation. So for the day, it's enough for the day. we'll be taking further things we'll take in the next session, and in the next session we're going to see another kind of addition, because here we are trying to find out different kinds of additions by which we can easily do our addition process, the addition calculation easily with the help of Vedic tactics or techniques. Right? So with that, we are finishing today's session, and we'll see you the next time in the next session. Thank you very much. All the best.